Well, we have a bit of a leap forward in my Z80 Retro project. You can see that I've now added most of the components in the basic computer system and wired them up. I have the ROM and RAM all in place with the address buses and data buses all wired in there and there. I've got them attached to the processor by these ribbon cables here. I've got the modulator here to switch between ROM and RAM when needed. It also switches them both off, so I can fit in extra components here like a screen and a keyboard, so that I can send information. I haven't built that part of the circuit yet. In fact, I've got this other breadboard here, which I'm going to do possibly to build my own keyboard layout with just 40 buttons basically to represent the keys. I haven't decided when we do that. But also I've now got here a 4-line liquid crystal display screen. I've got the potentiometer here, which will brighten and dim it. I soldered the pins on the back there, so that's all going to be wired in and set later. It works in the fact that it all switches on, but I haven't got a clue what's going on in here, whether it can obey instructions and do things, because I haven't been able to program the EEPROM chip because I'm waiting for the machine code EEPROM programmer, where I can write my own code and put it in there so that it knows how to boot up and check itself and then go through it. That's going to take some time. So basically this in fact now is a Z80 computer. The only thing that's missing is its I/O, and that is its input and output keyboard to be developed and the wiring up of a display system. So giant leaps today. It took me about 2.5 hours of work to wire all this in. It's not tested yet. I'm just going to have to wait for the programmer to do that. Okay, that's it.